70 peso. 普通にジョリビー超えたんじゃないこれ。Pasta, so many. Yeah, this one is okay. 1.4 milli. I will use 100 gram, which is divided by 5, so about 20 peso. Let's go. And tomato sauce, Filipino style? Original, but the thing is it's pasted, it's not texture at all. Crushed, yeah, perfect. This is big, no way. By the way, if you want to make Japanese food, the mirin and sake is must to use. Not cheap, but the thing is we use little for cooking, so better buy. Thank you po. Today I will make tomato pasta, but easy, cheap, and good. And how cheap it is? 70 peso. Then how easy it is? I just use one pan. No need to wash other things, just this one. And how good is like Jollibee, at least, you know, handmade with love, so should be better, no? What we use today is 200 gram of tomato sauce, not the pasta sauce. Inside was 800, so 1/4 of tomato sauce. Tomato sauce plus garlic, that's it. And of course pasta. Any size is okay, but I like 1.4. And what we use, I will tell you, easy water, salt, pepper, and also most important is sugar, Consome powder, but those kinds is okay. So first of all, garlic. Even you can cut or grind it, anything is okay, but I just don't like to wash. So put the garlic, 1 big teaspoon of olive oil. Already smells good. If the smell starts good, put the tomato sauce. Put in tomato sauce. So tomato sauce I use 200 gram, the other 600 gram I put in freezer. If you put tomato sauce in the freezer, the inside of what's that material broken, so that it will become more tasty actually. That's the secret. I hope in this channel at least you learn something. I wish, or my goal is my channel support your life. If you put in the refrigerator, then you leave 5 days and you make tomato sauce back, experience, right? Like after 5 days it's become like mold, then you have to throw, but you just put in the freezer. And this is most important part. You boil the tomato sauce, then make the sour taste of tomato go away with the, you know, vaporize, so that sweet taste go inside, then sour taste vaporize go out until little becomes smaller. Then after this, you put consomme. If you don't have it, it's okay. Use this one, like chicken broth cubes, whichever is okay. So if you go to Japan, better buy, because in the Philippines, a little bit expensive and hard to get. Small cube, half is okay, put inside. And also little salt. And 1 small teaspoon of sugar. If Filipino, maybe double, because you like little sweet taste of pasta. So why put I sugar is, in Japan, we put usually onions, but not for the ingredient, that's for the sweetness. So instead of sweetness from onion, I put sugar. After you see this is like little smaller, can you see? Then you put 340 milliliter of water inside. Then once water got boiling, you put pasta, 100 g of pasta. If doesn't fit, you can, once you put pasta, depends on how many minutes you have to boil pasta. So this one was 6 minutes, so I will boil 6 minutes. Like some pasta is like 7 minutes, 9 minutes, 4 minutes. It depends on pasta. The pasta suck the soup and also vaporize, so the water becomes smaller, right? Best timing is once the pasta cooked, the water is gone. So if water is too much you think, then make fire stronger, so more vaporize. And if water is too less, lower the heat or put a little bit add water. So the thing is the timing of pasta cooked and the water becomes zero. Should be much. And the best things of this pasta is you don't need to wash many things. I not even use the chopping board or not even the knife. So you don't need to wash many things, and that means you can save water and gas. It took 4 minutes and still looks like soup pasta, so I will make a little bit stronger. See, little by little, the noodles, the pasta starts sucking the sauce. Alexa, timer 止めて. Little olive oil and also black pepper. That's it.じゃあ食べてみましょう。いただきます。普通にうまい。普通にジョリビー超えたんじゃないこれ。トマトの酸味もなくてすんごい甘い。I put everything in one pan, right? Some people say it's taboo, but come on, it's good. I should make more. The good things of my menu, if you have something inside a refrigerator, you can just get and put, then make it better. And bacon, asparagus, veggie, beef, chicken, anything. Chicken might be fit. Anyway, that's all. またね。